right, everybody, we got a couple couple of value boxes here from my pal Rollface. I already opened them up out of the boxes. We got a Willie Mays and a Ken Griffey Jr. for him. A couple chrome cards, whatever. Check out my cards; they sell. Got a Red Harper and a Red Harper. 2 Red Harpers, buddy. All right, so he's got 20 retail packs here. So we'll go through these real quick, looking for something. Joey Votto. Joey Votto. Ben Revere. Jay the Bruce. Uh-oh. Little bonus card. Michael Morse, short print. Look at that. Check it out. You got them both, too. It's a cool card. Little Gatorade. Little Gatorade going on. It's a cool card. I like it. All right. Anyway, sorry. Moving on. Derek Jeter. Trevor Pluff. CC Sabathia. All right, last pack. Mickey Mantle. All right, bud. Now we're moving on to the 2011 retail. You got the Mike Trout chance here. Well, you got a hit in here. Got one of the rare hits too. You got Todd Frazier's rookie, Derek Jeter and Joe DiMaggio, and a Scott Rowland Diamond Anniversary Relic to 60. Nice card. A little something for you. Those actually sell pretty well. At least they did at the time. I don't know. They might have gone down a little bit since. Jair Jurgens. DJ LeMahieu. David Ross. Last 2011 pack. All right, bud. So there's your 2011. You got a little something, something in both of those. That's not bad. All right, let's do some Heritage. These are hobby packs. We're due a hit in Heritage, that's for sure. So let's see if we've got one. Steve Lombardozzi short print. Jimmy Rollins sticker. Wow, wow, wow. Joel Hanrahan short print. And last pack, Julio Teheran short print. Alright, there wasn't shit in there. A couple short prints. Whatever. Alright, bud. These are the big packs. Let's see what we got you. Whole lot of not much in pack 1. Pack 2. Jonathan Singleton. Wow, wow, wow. Alright, so what we ended up hitting you, the 2 hits, other than your 2 Harpers to begin with, come from your retail packs, buddy. Oh, man, look at this corner. Look at the corner on the Roland. That's harsh. Anyway, the Michael Morse is cool. I know, I didn't see it till just then. All right, bud.